Back in the day, releasing your cover of a popular song meant jumping through loads of legal, copyright and licensing hoops. Nowadays, thankfully, the process is much simpler. I'm going to show you how this works using the music distributor that I use and the sponsors of this video, DistroKid. If you're unfamiliar with how getting your music onto streaming platform works, I have a step-by-step guide that you can follow along with at home right here. I've been using DistroKid for years, and they make getting your music onto streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music and Tidal etc. really easy. They're also really affordable and are the fastest in the business. I've seen some of my releases land in stores in as little as 12 hours. If you want to try them for yourself, you can save 7% on any yearly plan if you join via my unique link. You'll find that in the description below this video. Alright, here's how to release your cover song using DistroKid then. In your DistroKid dashboard, head to Upload, then click on Upload Music. On the next screen, you'll want to fill out all the info as you would for a normal release, adding artist and track info, uploading album art, etc. When you get to the songwriter section, click on Another Artist Wrote It, It's a Cover Song. Here is where you'll find all the info regarding releasing cover songs with DistroKid. If you're unsure about the legal side of releasing a cover, click on the Learn More About the Eligibility Requirements and How We Obtain Your License Here section to be taken to this page. Here, DistroKid share loads more information about whether you can actually upload your cover songs and give you some pointers like making sure the song you're covering has already been released in the United States and that it doesn't contain samples and is not a remix. They also give you some no-nos like sampling is probably not okay, so for example, you can't use the 1971 recording of Led Zeppelin's When the Levee Breaks as your drum track, and gives you some examples of songs that can't be licensed as a cover. For example, a song that was used in a film score but itself was never released separately from the soundtrack. It goes on to describe how DistroKid will secure a license on your behalf through the Harry Fox Agency. They do link to an FAQ for more info on the Harry Fox Agency and what they do, if you want to check that out. Now, there is a fee for the licensing service, $1 a month, for which DistroKid will obtain licenses, pay the original songwriter or songwriters every month, and deal with other licensing stuff too. And considering the money and time that doing all this stuff yourself would cost, this is a ridiculously good deal. Fill in the other details here, then fill out the rest of the usual fields too. Hit continue and DistroKid will get to work. Note that securing cover song licenses can take up to 14 days, so you won't see the same almost instant release to streaming platforms that you might see if you were releasing your own original music. And that's it. It really is that simple to release cover songs using DistroKid. Remember, you can save 7% on any yearly plan by signing up via the link in the description below this video. Let me know if you plan to release your own cover songs down in the comments, and give that like button a good hard slap on your way past if you found this video helpful. I really appreciate it and it helps more people see it. And if you want to find out more about releasing your music online, watch this next.